Welcome! In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger using your PC with the latest update. If you're receiving unwanted messages, or just need to create some distance from a contact, blocking them is the best solution. Let's go through the steps. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Step 2. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top of the page and find the Messenger icon. Click on it to open your chats. Step 3. Inside the Messenger window, locate the chat with the person you want to block. Click on that conversation to open it. Step 4. At the top of the chat screen, you'll see the person's name. Click on their name to open their profile settings within the chat. Step 5. Now, in the menu that appears, click on Block. A prompt will ask you to confirm your decision. Simply confirm to block the person from sending you messages. And that's it. You've successfully blocked someone on Facebook Messenger. They will no longer be able to message you, and you won't receive any notifications from them. If you ever change your mind, you can easily unblock them by following the same steps. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on our future tips.